Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Python 3. 10 plus and pip are installed so package installs work reliably. Next, choose whether to run a local LLM or use an API. Local needs model weights ideally quantized for RAM. Create a project folder and a virtual environment, then install core libraries like transformers, the appropriate runtime, PyTorch, or a lightweight GGML binding, and tokenizer tools. Once done, place model files in a known path and ensure disk space and GPU memory meet the model's requirements. You now implement the core pipeline. Load the tokenizer and model using stable, deterministic settings and assign device to CPU or CUDA depending on hardware. Then build input preprocessing, craft a prompt template, manage context windows, and chunk long documents to avoid truncation. After that, implement an inference loop that handles batch sizes, temperature, top P, and streaming tokens so responses appear progressively. Make sure to manage token limits and memory. Once streaming works, add simple caching and conversation state to preserve content. You finish by wrapping the model into a local API or CLI. Fast API works well for local apps and lets you expose a simple /chat endpoint. Add safety filters, rate limiting, and persistent conversation logs with rotation so you can audit behavior. Test across typical prompts to measure latency and memory, profile CPU or GPU usage, and adjust quantization or batch sizes to reduce RAM. If responses stall or crash, clear caches, lower batch size, switch to a smaller quantized model, and check logs for out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.